I don't even know how to make proper intros for these videos anymore. First thing first, we hit 250 subscribers on March the 30th, which is freaking amazing. I've never thought that we'd get more than 20 subscribers. And I mean, this is such a big community that we've grown into, and I'm like so glad for that. A lot of you keep on sending me emails on thanking me about videos, asking for help, and I'm always glad to help. So to celebrate this amazing, huge milestone, I've decided to create another playlist, another series that I hope is even better than the Airbnb tutorials. This time we're going to be creating an even better website, even better explained, plus we might even create responsiveness to the website, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in this series. So welcome to how to create a simple flat, I don't know how I'm gonna call this, episode number 1. So we are gonna be creating the exactly same website as Triplagent. I don't really know what the website is for. I just found it and I thought, wow, this is a really cool website. I think it's gonna be pretty cool to make a website just like this. So guess what? That's what I'm doing, and let's get right into the tutorials. So actually, this is the website. You know, it's pretty cool. It's not as hard as you think it is. I mean, Airbnb is a little bit harder since it has responsiveness and stuff like that. So I don't think we're gonna be needing jQuery here. Now I don't plan on creating this slide in here just because I don't wanna create too much jQuery tutorials because I haven't created jQuery tutorials on my channel, so I don't know if a lot of people are gonna understand them. So I'm gonna skip it for later, and hopefully, like probably in the very last episode, maybe we can try and do it. Maybe we can try to do it with CSS. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, let's get right into our tutorial. So interest is this. Okay, so great. Oops. So first, I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna create a new folder. Let me just delete this one. I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna call it Triplagent. Was it? Yeah, it was. And I'm gonna open this, and I'm gonna be using Atom. Actually, and I'm gonna be using CodeKit to actually render my website. So this is how it works. I come in here and I'm gonna remove this project. So how do you do this? I remove this, and I'm basically just gonna drag and drop this in here. There we go, and we're done with this. Now what we're gonna do is open our Atom, and I'm gonna save this as an index.html and desktop, and basically in the same folder, so Triplagent. Config.codekit, don't worry about that, it's not important. We're gonna delete it at the end, and I'll show you why I'm gonna be using CodeKit. It's actually pretty cool. And I'm gonna create just a simple main.css, and we're done. So I'm gonna be actually, let me first just open this. So I'm gonna be using actually CodeKit first. Firstly because I can click on preview and it's gonna create a local server, which I can copy the link and paste it on all the computers in my apartment. And when I save a file, it automatically refreshes every browser every single web page that is located with this URL. So, to give you a quick example, I'm just gonna create this, watch this, doc type. I'm just gonna create the basics of the HTML/HTML, more, head. Oh, and I'm gonna be using Atom because I just like it better than brackets. I mean, brackets is really simple, it's nice and everything, but this is like, just, I don't know, it feels a little bit more professional. And I'm gonna just write website for now. I'm gonna change it. Website. I'm just gonna give you an example of CodeKit. So watch this. I'm gonna save it, and I'm not gonna click on the refresh button. I'm just gonna save it and save. Wait a second. I don't know why it does this. Hold on a sec. I don't even know why it's this logo. Okay, wait. Let me just try this again. something random. Save it. Ah, there we go. It's completed. It was this because it had cached in the previous project. So I'm just gonna write website. I'm not gonna reload it. I'm just gonna save it, and it automatically reloads my page. Which is pretty cool because I don't have to do this all the time, and it saves a lot of time. So what is the title actually? It's Triplagent. Triplagent. And now we're gonna create the body. Body. There we go. One thing that I don't really like about this text editor is that it doesn't automatically closes your tags. But that's okay. I mean, there are a lot of packages that you can use to do all kinds of stuff. So now I'm gonna link my CSS. So we're gonna do that with a link rel style sheet type equals text slash CSS, and the href is main.css. Oh, and also it doesn't give me suggestions of my files. So now you can see that I'm gonna give you another example of CodeKit. I'm gonna write in body. I'm gonna give it a background color of red, and watch this. I'm just gonna save it, and automatically changes it. And actually, that's a really cool transition to my page, because now look, if I type in green, it slowly turns into green, which is pretty cool. So there we go. Now let's see what our main parts of the websites are. Of our website is. So basically, I have a header right here. I'm gonna create this with a header. It's not a fixed one, so it's gonna be pretty easy to create. We have a huge. Actually, this is the header. This is actually the nav. I'm sorry. Okay. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. The website is pretty cool, actually. I don't know. I like it. There are posts in here. Let me just see them. Again, I've really never seen this website before. I just saw it. I just typed in simple, flat, modern, whatever websites, and this came out. Let me just put in my charger. There we go. So, let's see. I'm just gonna click inspect, and I want to see how it's. Okay, so there is a header. Okay. Let's see. And how big is it? It's width 100%, but I don't see the height. Wait, hold on. Side header. So there is no height. Wait. Okay, so it's aligned everything in a huge header that is 5,221 pixels. Yeah, or maybe it changes automatically. Wait, I don't know. I'm just looking how it's kind of positioned, the whole website. Okay, I think I get it. So what we're gonna do at first is actually just create body and remove all the margins. And then we're gonna create a div and give it an ID of main1 / div. And in this div there's gonna be a nav. Like this. And this is it for it. This is all for now. I can't see how big this is supposed to be, like 200 VH, I don't know. And does it change its height? Right. No. Okay, so it doesn't change its height until it gets responsive. So I really want to figure out. I'm gonna skip a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I got it. So it's the nav is actually, at least at what I can see, 100% wide and 150 pixels tall. So this is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna come in here and type in. Actually, I'm just gonna put a little comment just to keep everything organized. Main1 CSS. And now I'm gonna write, oops, not in, main1. So this is gonna be position relative, width 100%, and the height is not defined as what I can see. So I'm just gonna write in background color. Let's say, what was the background color? I'm gonna copy the code. Oh no, I lost it. Or did I? Yeah, no, I lost it. Okay, well, this sucks. Aha, there it is. Excuse me for my slowness. I have no idea what's gotten into me. But to be fair, they made it like really hard to understand. Like, you can make this really basic. I don't know what they've done actually. I have no idea. Maybe it's an SEO thing. I don't know. I don't really get their idea. I mean, because you can do this with one whole div, but whatever suits them. So yeah, I'm gonna copy this background color here. And okay, let's just give it a height. Let's say 100 viewport height. It's not bad. I'm gonna give it a margin bottom of 200 pixels just to be able to scroll down. You can see that with 100 viewport height VH, no matter how big your screen is, it's always 100% of the screen. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so now we are gonna remove the height and we're gonna edit the nav. So nav CSS. Nav, there we go. And what was the width of the nav? Actually, it's position absolute with 100%, and I believe the height was 150 pixels. And the background color was, let's say red. Okay, top 0. Top 0 with, left, sorry. So let's give it a height, I don't know, of 300 pixels. I don't know what's the problem. Oh, it doesn't have defined height. What if I do position relative to this? Relative. Now I can remove the height. Yeah, it should work now. So this is, I don't know, I'm gonna give this background color of green. Just so I'm not confused. Actually, I'm gonna give this also padding bottom 100 pixels. There we go, so I can see the purple. So now, I'm gonna inspect this and basically just grab a whole image if it's an image. Yeah. Yep, it's an image. I'm just gonna copy the URL of this. Come on. I guess it's transparent or something. So, how are we gonna do this? Okay, no, I got it. So, what I've done is actually they've created a link and they've given it a background, which I don't know why, to be fair. So we're gonna do, actually this part, I want to see this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna see this. I'm just gonna create an image and wrap around a link. So href equals index.html. Oh yeah, image srs equals this /a. Okay, perfect. That's pretty cool. So now a first child, because it's gonna be the first link, is actually gonna have nav a link. I don't know, is this gonna work? A color of hashtag FFF, pound sign, I don't know why I'm saying hashtag, and a text decoration of none. Nav a link, no, visited. For, actually, no, actually, link should be after the first child. There we go. First child visited, color, hashtag FFF, and text integration, none. So now I'm gonna do this. Nav a first, why am I writing this here? It's not a problem, but anyways. Nav a first child image. I'm gonna say width 100 pixels and height 100 pixels. Yeah, okay, it works. But what is the height actually of it? Inspect. 120 by 87. But great. So 120 pixels by a simple 87 pixels. Okay, we're getting there. We're pretty close actually. So now we have to how are we gonna do this? We can't say text align center. Actually we can text align center. Jeez. I don't know what's the margin top. It looks like 20 pixels. So margin top, oh no, I misspelled this. Margin top 20 pixels. Okay, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna copy this. I'm just gonna paste it in here. Okay, I like this. Actually, it might be 25. Sure. Okay, it's looking actually pretty nice for now. Okay, so I like this. Now we have to copy this. I don't know where they got this font also. You know what? You can go to ionicons.com and you can actually see there are a bunch of. Oh, there we go. We have this one. So it's a CDN. So what you're gonna do is actually copy this and link it in your page. So in the CSS, and then this is actually the font for icons. Rel equals style sheet type equals text slash CSS, and HREF is actually this. There we go. And actually now, how did I do this within I class? Yeah. Alright. So let me just find this icon again. Ion icon round. Alright, I like this. And now what we're gonna do is create another link, another one. And I don't know what we're gonna do. Just JavaScript void 0 / a, and I'm gonna do I class. Now, does that I have an closing tag? I can't remember this. That's why I like brackets. Okay, so there is a closing tag. /I. Oh wow, it actually worked. To be fair, I'm actually a little bit surprised. Actually, I'm gonna give this an ID of slide toggle. Yeah, that sounds good. Slide toggle with I don't know what's the width. I don't like how it's aligned at the very bottom of the nav, so I want to actually put it a bit in the center. You'll see what I mean. I can't possibly know what the size is. 30 pixels. It's not gonna work. I mean, is it? Font size 30 pixels. Nah. Oh, what? I'm surprised again. Is it 30 pixels now? font size 30, but it doesn't look big enough. If you get what I mean, it looks a bit small. Well, it does say that it's 30 pixels. 31 pixels. Okay, what if we do 30 by 30 pixels? Because this looks a bit small. Width 30 pixels, height 30 pixels. Ah, okay, this doesn't work. Well, I guess, well, maybe you can do font size 35 pixels. This seems perfect. Color white. I'm just gonna do link for this. And slide toggle visited. Oh, I forgot the text decoration. Text decoration, no. Color white. Text decoration, no. Ah, perfect. So now we're gonna give this a I don't know what's up with my speaking lately. So we're gonna give this a position of absolute. And I'm gonna do right 30 pixels and top 30 pixels. Okay. Maybe it's a font size of 40 pixels. And I'm pretty sure about this. No. 38. Maybe it's a bit closer, yeah. Well, actually, it looks even weird on this web page. It is actually pretty weird. It looks a bit smaller and it looks a bit not aligned perfectly. I mean, this is a pretty cool website, but it doesn't really have a lot of styling to do in here. Anyway, so I guess I'm gonna leave it like this, or maybe we can do. Wait, hold on a second. Let's see how it shifts from the right and left. I mean, in top. 0. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Yeah. Oh. Wait a second. So what if I do font size 30 pixels and line height also 30 pixels? Oh no. Okay, this doesn't work. Alright. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna remove the background color of green here. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe a little bit more to the bottom. So top. You know, this actually looks pretty good. Yeah, I like this. Looks a bit more bold. Yeah, actually, I think I'm not even gonna create this not transparency. This I can't remember the word. Okay, never mind. Doesn't matter. I'm not gonna create this lighting in the background. I'm just gonna leave it dark purple. It looks pretty good to me. It's gonna look even more simple, actually. I'm trying to remember the word, but I can't. Nope, I can't. So yeah, you know what? Just to test if the link works, I'm just gonna do JavaScript. And no, actually, no, I was gonna do an alert, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Yeah, okay. Okay, so, you know what? I think this is gonna be enough for the first tutorial. So, this is what we've done. We've created the whole nav, basically. I mean, the nav is done. And, I've kind of planned on how I'm gonna be doing this. I have a pretty good idea on how to do it. Hopefully it works, we'll see. But yeah, this is it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you so much for 250 subscribers. Actually, at the moment, we have 256 subscribers, which is mind-blowing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.